Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix re-disable your account on Facebook. So let's begin. First, go to your Chrome browser or your mobile device. Look up for Facebook Help Center. All right. Click on the first option. Now over here, you will be provided with lots of drop downs. Click on reporting. In mobile devices, it could be policies and reporting. Click on reporting a problem with Facebook. Now, click on or choose give feedback and then proactive feedback. And then over here, just provide all of the necessary information, your email, okay? Your email, the product or feature. For example, we're going to choose login. Then provide all of the necessary or detailed description of your problem or issue. After that, click next. Then Facebook will send you a message and also send you a code to your email address to verify that you are the user of that account. And then moving forward, they will provide you with instructions on how to recover your account. And that's it. That's how you fix this disabled account on Facebook. I hope you found this video very helpful.